Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import photos into DaVinci Resolve. So let's go. I will show you two options. So yeah, the first one is the easiest one. So yeah, let's get start with this one. Alright, so what you gonna need is find basically where you have your pictures, then select them and just drag and drop right here in this media pool in photo tab down here. Now the second thing is here, if you go to the media, and here you can select, basically right click on it and then add new location. And now you just need to find where you have your images. So let's go with this one, and right here you will see that you get basically photos in here. And then what you can do is just simply drag them into the master, and you will have right over here, because this media pool is connected with this media right here. And this is pretty much it. So this is how you can import photos in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.